Well, here's the utility company cleaning up after the contractors. As I said, they're good folks. Yep, the utility company's cleaning up after the contractor who made all the mess. Worst of all, they cut my trees down there where those two guys are standing. But they've committed to getting me a couple of trees to replace them, so no harm, no foul. Particularly for North Arkansas Electric Cooperative. Good guys. This is what my old abandoned driveway looks like now after the utility company, not the utility contractor, but the utility company came by, smoothed out the ruts. They're going to get me 2 trees and get them replaced in there. They were nice enough to stack some rocks across there, smooth all that out. I put up the no trespassing sign. Hopefully a utility contractor won't think that this is a way that they can go in again. You would think that having a fence up with no trespassing signs, this one right over here was here before, this one over here, that they wouldn't have done that, but they did. So we'll see what happens. Well, look at that. The utility contractor came by today and planted 2 nice cedar trees in that old abandoned driveway of mine to block off where they'd cut the other ones. So they did come by, and they did do what they should do. Looks like they realized they did make a wrong, and they turned around and resolved it. Good for them. All right, I told you I'd keep you guys up to date on what's happening. So there you go. Ruts straightened out, trees replanted. Even bigger ones than they cut down. So there you have it. Some people do come back and do what they should do. They do the right thing and make up for some of the things that they've done that are wrong. This utility contractor did. Good guys. Thanks for coming along with me and for keeping up with us on the channel, for visiting. Appreciate you. God bless you. Have a great day.